Talent. Please, I beg.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ooh, I like this. Those are the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ooh, those are the 7 days of the week. Good Monday. Looks like it's not gonna work. Should I force it or should I leave it? Oh, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do because I can't put this all the way up here. I feel like it's already up all the way. I don't know what to do. Ooh, will I be able to do this all day? I don't think so. Look at the back. I think I can't get that going. Should I put it up even at the back? Should I put it up even at the back? Oh, it still doesn't work. But I can't because I'm not taking off anything. Yeah, I'll do it. Not this shoe's working. I don't know where it's working.
Oh, guys, wait. Naki gifted, Shem. Naki talented. What do you mean? Did you hear that? Thanks. I'm clapping for myself right now using my thumb and my index finger. Like, yes, girl, yes.
If I was that girl.
Now, my problem with this outfit was the fact that a crop top was really cropping. I understand? And as much as very black in a pants, but I just wished, so the belt was helping. I didn't plan to wear the belt, but it was helping ukuthi ibambe. Ayingasangitsinile ibhande ke sana ke. But ke ayingaphusha nje usuku lo ngayitshela nje ukuthi ngiyolokhe ngidonsa nje. Ngiyolokhe ngidonsa nje ngicover lo black yabo. It's not like in stuff, I understand it. But this outfit is really nice. Asengicabanga ukushintsha la kodwa ukujuluka nokukhatha nokhefuzele ngase ngiyikona because of this outfit. Phela le skirt. Ibo futhi angayixoxa indaba yaso. Mara, it's nice though. I don't like how this black ivela ngakhona. Mara ithombeni ivele sharp. Angehlisa nje usuku lonke bandla ngazitshela ukuthi cha ngizowehlisa ngenza kwethu nje kube mnandi ezweni. I understand ngithini because no one forced me to wear this. No one forced me. So I told myself, see, girl, you can do it.
These are my favorite earrings ever. And they're topping up in